Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change team in eFootball 2023 or 2024 mobile. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, click on the download option, and from here, these are the platforms that you can download the eFootball game from: PS5, PS4, Xbox. If you are an iOS user, click on the download on the App Store. If you are an Android user, click on the Google Play. And of course, it's also available on Steam. And from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, changing team in eFootball is very easy and straightforward process because switching teams can be strategic, especially if you want to explore different tactical setups, formations, or playing styles offered by different teams. And of course, some players may seek a greater challenge by managing different teams with varying levels of difficulty or different league experiences. Now, as you can see, I'm on the home screen of the eFootball. And of course, I'm going to click on the choose another team. All right. And from here, I can choose, maybe I'm going to be picking on the Europe and click on the English League. All right. And Newcastle WB. And from here, just click on next. Right. Now, from here, I can edit. Okay. Right. And from here, all I have to do is click on next. Right. There you go. Now from here, click on the extras and click on user information, right? And of course, click on the user details. And from here, you might want to change your username and change your avatar. But for that, let's click on continue. And as you can see from here, all I have to do is click on the warning, right? Now, from here, you would be able to change your team and, of course, change the country and region. Now, if you don't see that option, you might want to go here instead. Go to online support, and from here, click on the inquiry, right? Now, what you need to do is tell them that you can't find the option to change your name or change your team here in eFootball Online. I suppose that you have already done that in the past using your mobile device. And from the inquiry, just click on that, and of course just provide all of the information that you wanted, and from there one of the support staff for the eFootball League will be more than glad to assist you with any of your concern. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.